Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, quickly and easily, I will show you how to connect this service, which is Bitget, to TradingView, and I will show you how to perform a direct integration so you can start using it inside TradingView. So firstly guys, of course, make sure that you have both accounts registered, alright, both on Bitget and TradingView. After that, on TradingView login, then you go to Product and Supercharts. This is where we connect our brokers. Then make sure to navigate to Trading Panel, and here you can either search it from the list, you can just scroll down, and for example, just show all brokers like this. Or if you want to make it much easier, just go to the search and type in Bitget, and there's our Bitget. In here, now we will need, of course, the account from Bitget, so press on this button, and then as you can see in here, we don't log in just like we would on any other websites. In here, we need to provide the API key and passphrase. From Bitget, you just get them from your account, paste it in here, and then press on connect. Very easy. After that, your Bitget will appear in the trading panel, and you'll be able to place trades and view charts using Bitget. Enjoy guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.